Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to record expenses in Wave Accounting. We'll walk through the simplest and most reliable way to record your business expenses using the bills workflow. So let's get started. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Wave Accounting website. On the home page, click the Sign In button and log into your account. Complete any security prompts if they appear. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the left-hand navigation, find the Purchases section and click on it. Next, select Bills. This is where you'll record expenses that come from vendor invoices, such as utilities, subscriptions, office supplies, or contractor invoices. Now, click Create a Bill to open a new bill form. Start by selecting the vendor. If the vendor already exists, choose it from the list. If not, create a new vendor by entering the required details. If your invoice includes a bill number, enter it in the appropriate field. This helps prevent duplicate entries and makes it easier to find the bill later. Next, complete the Items section by adding each product or service you're being charged for. Enter the quantity, unit price, and select the correct tax rate if applicable. As you enter the information, Wave will automatically calculate the subtotal, taxes, and total amount. Take a moment to review all the details, including the vendor name, bill number, quantities, prices, and taxes, to make sure everything is accurate. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Wave will store the bill in your bills list under Purchases, and your expense will be recorded successfully. You can return to the bill at any time to review it or make changes if needed. Recording your expenses consistently with accurate vendor information, bill numbers, and tax details helps keep your financial records organized and your reports accurate. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to record expenses in Wave Accounting using the bills workflow. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.